Let's learn some airport and travel vocabulary. Airport, airplane, flight, passenger, pilot, cabin crew or flight attendant, captain, co-pilot, boarding pass, passport, visa, ticket, ID card, check-in counter, immigration, customs, security check, departure, arrival, gate, runway, terminal, luggage or baggage, carry-on bag, suitcase, backpack, baggage claim, conveyor belt, boarding time, delayed flight, canceled flight, window seat, aisle seat, seat belt, economy class, business class, first class, departure lounge, duty-free shop, currency exchange, tourist, traveler, tour guide, hotel reservation, boarding, takeoff, landing, turbulence, emergency exit, oxygen mask, life jacket, arrival hall, departure hall, international flight, domestic flight, transit, layover, boarding gate, airport shuttle, taxi, bus stop, train station, map, destination, journey, trip, vacation or holiday, travel insurance, hotel, hostel, reservation, check-in time, check-out time, single room, double room, tourist attraction, travel agency, tour package, souvenir, camera, travel adapter, boarding announcement, flight number, departure time, arrival time, lost luggage, airport staff, duty-free, escalator, elevator or lift, restroom or toilet, waiting area, information desk, travel document,